Hi all, welcome to today's screencast, which is going to be for next lesson. We're moving on now to fitness testing. So we've just done the components of fitness. We've done skill-related and physical-related components of fitness. So now we know our components of fitness. Now what you might do is, let's say you're a member of the sports scientist team at a football club. You know the components of fitness, so you know muscular strength, you know muscular endurance, flexibility, and so on. We need to be able to test people now to see where they are, to see if they're above average, below average, and so on. So we do fitness tests. But before we do fitness tests, we just have to get some information down first regarding other aspects. Okay, so what I want you to do is your Cornell notes for lesson will be baseline data, goal setting, training program design, calibration of equipment, and informed consent. So you can pause this now and get this down. Okay, so why are fitness tests important? We're going to do that in lesson, don't worry about that. What I want you to get is baseline data. The information you need to have is they provide data for monitoring or improving performance. Okay, so what I want you to do now is, your question might be, which data is used to monitor / improve performance? Baseline data is the answer. Goal setting. So the purpose of goal setting, results can give a performer something to aim for. So it's important to have specific goals so that the performer can aim for those goals. For example, increase their speed by a certain amount of seconds per distance. Training program design. So you can design a training program based on the test results and the needs of the individual. So let's say we have a shot putter who just isn't getting the distance with the shot put, and their technique's brilliant. They do some strength and power tests on their upper body, and it turns out that they're in relation to the general public or other sports performers, their power results are quite low, so they're going to have to improve their power. So we can design a program based on or to improve their power. So we've looked at baseline data, we've realised they need to improve their power, so then we need to do a program to improve their power, and the goal may be, in 6 months' time, improve your power by so much, which gives the athlete something to aim for. So that's why you choose all of this. Okay, so that is why you kind of have fitness tests. Fitness tests are also important if a player is injured and they come back from injury, and then you do the fitness test with them again, and if they score worse than when they did it in pre-season, it means they're not as fit as they were. So you may not put them back to a game situation. You may try and improve the components of fitness that they're worse at in comparison to their pre-season results. Okay, so before the tests are actually conducted, we need an informed consent form. So an informed consent form is basically a document that makes participants aware of the test risks. Okay, so for example, multi-stage fitness test can overexert the participants, so they need to be aware of that. So it's just a document that tells them that they're aware of the risks, and they get to sign it, and they can withdraw at any time. Then the other pre-test procedures need to be aware of calibration of equipment. So calibration of equipment is a process of checking the equipment before you use it, just to ensure that it's accurate and it can be compared to recognised standards. Okay, so these are important. You may get a question on what two forms of pre-test procedures can be done before a test takes place: informed consent, calibration of equipment. Okay, so if you just make notes on those, nice easy screencast for you, 4 minutes long, and that'd be perfect. Thank you. Bye.